The underlying cause is identified through evaluating symptoms, duration, and associated factors like allergies, infections, or chronic conditions, enabling targeted treatment and management.
Dr. Amir, how long can a cough last?
The duration of a cough can vary depending on its cause. Acute coughs often last for a few days to a few weeks, while chronic coughs can persist for more than 8 weeks. It's important to consult a medical professional if a cough persists or worsens.
Dr. Amir, what are the signs and symptoms of a cough?
Cough symptoms include a repetitive expulsion of air from the lungs, often accompanied by a distinctive sound. It may be dry or produce mucus,